It is the 11th of February, and as you can see, the moon is actually full 100%. But what happened is tomorrow is the new moon day. Tomorrow is the day of the new moon, but it is full from tonight. So what happened is you don't acknowledge the day of the new moon until the day begins, until dawn comes. So at dawn tomorrow, we refer to it as what? The day of the new moon. So this moon that you're looking at right now on the 11th is still part of the 30th day of the moon. This is the last day and the last night of this cycle. Tomorrow is going to be a new cycle, a new beginning. This is why it's called the day of the new moon. That will not be a Sabbath. A Sabbath is different from a new moon. A Sabbath is preceded by 6 working days. Tomorrow is the beginning of the cycle, so it's called a new moon, not a Sabbath. And you know the difference between new moon and a Sabbath. One day you're permitted to cook, the other one is forbidden. So on a Sabbath you don't cook on the Sabbath. So those are 2 different categories of days. So yeah, we separate day from night. We don't do the 24-hour type thing. That's for the Romans, right? We deal with nature, we deal with reality. So it is now night, not day, night, right? So the day has already ended. This is now night. When dawn comes again, a new day has started, the day of the new moon. And you know, from the moon comes month, and the month carries 29 or 30 days. No 28, no 31, 29 or 30. This moon that we're looking at had 30 days. This is the last of it. Tomorrow starts a new cycle. And from the moon comes month. This is where you get the word month from, the moon. It's a sign of the feast. So you're looking at this right now, you know that tomorrow is going to be the day of the new moon. That's a festival. It's a feast day to the Most High. And from the moon also comes weeks. This is where you get weeks from. So tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow, Wednesday, that's going to be the first day of the cycle. Then after tomorrow, you count 6 work days. So from Thursday back to Tuesday would be 6 work days. And then Wednesday would be the first Sabbath of this lunation. So tomorrow, Wednesday, new moon day, and the next 4 Wednesdays will be Sabbaths.